Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I've got a really interesting product for you. I've ordered this Android phone after a long time. This is new Samsung S23 Ultra. Uh, and I have ordered two of them. So I have ordered S22 Ultra as well so that I can do a review after a long time because I'm primarily a iPhone user, but this time I'm trying to do a review of this phone and I'm going to use it for a while for giving you a thorough review. And I've ordered some cases with it. Just wanted to show you that. This is like the clear case, leather case, and a rugged case. Let me put all these things on the side and show you the box. Let's do the unboxing. So first of all, let me quickly show you what comes, also show you the S22 Ultra box. On the surface, the box has slimmed down. That is a trend in the industry. The packaging is going really slim. So that is still the case. As you can see, the package is smaller size wise, width wise, height wise, everything. It is smaller than S22 Ultra. And let's start. Let's unbox S22 first. This is last year's model. As you can see, it looks amazing. This is a huge phone. It's not a small phone, so that you will see. This is in white color. Looks really good. Let me keep this on the side for now and quickly unbox Galaxy S23. This one is going to be amazing because this is the current year's model, current generation, in a customized color, so supposed to be really good. Can you see? So there is this film on top of it. Once I remove it, that's the phone. Wow, it's huge. Again, as I told you, look at this color. This is a satin gray blue kind of color. Looks amazing. And I think this is just a sticker that came with it, so I'm gonna just apply it later on for the bespoke edition. It will look something like this. Overall, the packaging is really good. Let me quickly show you what else is in the box for S23. There is nothing much. As you can see, no adapter. Apple set that trend and after that nobody is giving that. This is SIM ejection tool and then some paperwork and your cables. So I'll keep the cables on the side. Paperwork, just a quick start guide and terms and conditions. Phone looks amazing. On the other side there is nothing, so that was just a phone. And let's quickly unwrap it. So this is a really thick cover, I would say. Usually these screen protectors are really thin, but this one is, my god, huge. Let me turn it on. It's been a while since I've used any Android phone. The last Android phone that I had used was this Galaxy S8 and it was so good. Obviously it doesn't look good now. It is broken from all directions, but this was the last one I used. Anyway, so this is how it looks. Screen is huge. It's amazing. Samsung, they're like the OG of screen manufacturers, so you will always find one of the best screen qualities on these phones. That was one of the things that pushed me to buy something like this. And let me quickly start. Agree to all. I just want to get it done with. I'll just skip now. Skip. Let's see what happens. Don't copy. Allow scanning. Use. I don't want to use all this. So there is a slight edge, like this curved edge, as you can see. Let's go with dark theme. I really like the dark themes. Finish. Screen, as you can see, is amazing. It looks, wow. It's end to end, but it's a huge phone. On the edges, there is some protection. Let me take it off. I hope there is a protection, otherwise I'm taking off something that is not supposed to be. And at the bottom there is this S Pen. It's, by now everyone is familiar with this. This was initially used to come in the Note series, but this is amazing. As you can see, the S Pen looks good and there is a SIM tray here. Other than that, you will find speakers as well as your charging. This is capable of getting charged really quickly, so you will have that. Alright, finally I managed to remove this side protectors that they have put on. They are really glued well. So they were really protecting the sides, and it's a all metal design, and obviously there is glass at the back because of wireless charging. So this phone looks amazing. So new this year is obviously the upgraded camera, and design wise, let me show you the difference. So the difference that I see design wise is on S23 it is slightly boxier. S22 was really curved, as you can see, and that is the difference. So S23 fits in your hand really well, better than S22. Otherwise the design is kind of similar, and even the back panel, as you can see, the glass is really good. The camera array looks same. They have already upgraded the cameras, as you can see. The lenses look really big on the S23. In the bottom, obviously you have your pen as well as speaker and SIM tray. Other than that, everything else looks exactly same. This phone is much better, feels slightly more handy than the older generation because of this boxier design. It fits your hand perfectly. You can hold it really well, and I really like the slab design. So this is the older S22 last generation, and look at the huge camera lens on this one, and it comes with OSS lens now for that added stability. I'm going to do all the camera test and I'll compare it with my iPhone 14 Pro that I bought like 2-3 months ago. So we'll do the comparison, thorough comparison. So this was a quick unboxing, guys. If you like the content of this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content, I'll do a thorough comparison between S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra, and again with iPhone as well, compare it with the photography of iPhone. Other than that, this phone is amazing, one of the best Android phones out there. Quick design comparison between the S22 Ultra and S23 Ultra. Let me know if you want to see a detailed comparison. For that, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.